There you go, a perfect replica of the fine herbs, a Boursin style cheese. Look at that. That is absolutely sensational. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing Boursin garlic and fine herbs cream cheese, the block that you buy from Boursin. We made a dish the other day and folks were saying how expensive it was, and to be quite honest, really expensive where I am. It's a mortgage. So we're going to make it. It's easy to make. This lasts 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Now if we put potassium sorbate and things in there, it would last 3 to 4 weeks. We're not using potassium sorbate. We're just going to make it and we're going to use it within 3 days. Eat on crackers or just cook with it. In here, cream cheese. In here, unsalted butter. And we want a touch of cream just to loosen it. We want about a tablespoon, that much. We want a blender and we're going to blend it. Dried chives, dried parsley. I've got some salt, I've got some garlic powder, and I've got white pepper. Give that a mix in. That's it. Take some cling wrap. We're not going to use that, that's too big. We're either going to go for that or go for that. What do you reckon? I reckon that one. Okay. You want the cling wrap in there. Down there like that, right to the bottom. Now this is my idea for this. It's common sense, you know, the Boursin block is a round block. Now what you would do if you just wanted to make this and not set it up, you could stick that in the fridge, put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours, and then you would take it out of there, because what's going to happen is it's going to hydrate. You could put it in some cling wrap and you could roll it like a sausage and tie the ends up. But the Boursin block is a round block, like a puck. So we're just going to put it in there and leave it in there. It's going to rehydrate in there. It's going to be the shape of what we need. It's common sense, isn't it? Come on. So really what we're doing, we're not doing 2 jobs, we're doing 1. Right, we want that in there. Now this makes 150 grams, the same as the Boursin block. Okay, so just work that in there like that. And if you give that a taste, that tastes exactly like Boursin. Exactly. Okay, we're just going to cover this. Of course we are, because we want this to set up as a puck, like theirs. That's it basically. In the fridge for about 3 hours. It's going to set itself back up, and then we can spread it on crackers or we can cook with it. There you go. Here we are, Boursin cheese. What we've got to do now is get that out of there, like that, and onto our plate, on there. There you go, a perfect replica of the fine herbs, a Boursin style cheese. Look at that. That is absolutely sensational. Just look at this creaminess. Look at that. That is lush on there. That is absolutely sensational. That is our garlic and fine herbs, Boursin style cheese. Look at that. You know, it's got to be done. Oh. That is absolutely outstanding. Oh man, dare I say it? I'm gonna say it. That's better than the original. Try it, make it yourself. Let me know what you think. That is sensational. You've got that garlic flavour all the way through there. You've got those fine herbs. Oh, it's creamy, it's buttery, it's delicious. Oh, that is amazing. Oh yeah. There you go, you asked for it, I've made it. That is a copy, a very good copy of Boursin cheese, the garlic and fine herbs. It is absolutely sensational. Share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make this. You know, I've left this 2 days, like I say, which has given it a better flavour. The flavour is sensational. It really is. That can be used as in a sauce, anything. That is delicious. Oh yeah, I really love that. So there you go. Share with your friends. Save some money. You know where I am? It costs a mortgage to buy this. But you know, cream cheese and a few ingredients. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh yeah. That is absolutely amazing.